hot and cold juicy ice cream. If you're ever in Minneapolis, Minnesota, you have to go to Sebastian Joe's. There's many different locations Sebastian Joe's has, but I do recommend the ones in the city, especially the one by Beira de Ska, or also known as Calhoun. They also have many different flavors and different ways you can have your ice cream.
Eat it.
And they also have some cake, Oreo cake, and yeah, this thing was so good. It's like hot and cold. I bit into it and
It's gonna explode in my mouth.
But definitely like and follow for more food and travel and exploring tips. I'll also be exploring the nightlife and any rooftop restaurants, so follow for more.